All right, I'm getting ready to remove this battery on a 2012 Volkswagen CC. So this is an aftermarket intake tube. So just take that off and set it to the side. And just gonna take this out here, sit it to the side, and okay. I don't know why I even took that out. He took it out. He didn't hold it. Okay. 11 millimeters. It's 10. Okay. That there. Okay, so him there. Take that off. Take that off. Old battery. Now, you gotta take out this tray here. Take out that tray, because I'm going to replace the motor mounts. Oh, it's more bolts. Okay, it's more bolts. Okay. Okay, come up now. Oh, there's another bolt over here. Oh, okay. Alrighty. Okay, take this tray up. Okay. To the side. Oh, it's open. Okay. All right, stop it here. Showing the benefits of this Triton jack. So this is where it kind of comes in handy over the full-size floor jack, because you can see right here this concrete is uneven, so I couldn't just come in straight in, so I had to come in. This is the only way I can come in with it like that. I'm taking our setup so I can record, because I'm getting ready to pull the transmission mount, or replace the transmission mount. Yep. So I'm just gonna do it like this. Oh, I gotta turn this. Guy here. There we go. And we're gonna take that and now I just want to put some pressure on it. Get that out of the way. Okay. Okay, now let me show you this here, because say we couldn't just come in straight in that way. So let me show you. We're getting ready to replace this guy here. So here's the replacement. I'm not sure where these go. I found out where these go. So anyway, stop it here. All right, I'm getting ready to replace the transmission mount here. Right there, that's the new one. So these bolts here are nuts. Well, bolts actually. They are 18 millimeters. Get this out of the way. 18 millimeters. Okay. Okay, I got the jack under there. me jack it up. Okay. And the other ones on this side, pull them up. They are 16 millimeters. Oh, shoot. 16 millimeter. That's the bracket that hold it down. Over here. Here. Okay. That right there. Let's see, the assembly comes up. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's the assembly right there. So, okay. So we need to just you got a little burr right there. So, and right here. Okay. All right. Stop it here. All right. And installing transmission mount. Pull that back. Oops. All right. Okay, let's see if this will work here. Okay. Let's kind of see what we got. Put a little bit of these transmission mounts are really okay. See, can we get it? Hard time getting them. I think we're in. Make sure it's not cross. Let's see. Okay, I think we're in. Okay. I think crooked. I think it's crooked. Okay. These two are in. This one's not. Let me jack it up some more. Let me see this. Let me see if I can pull it. Let's see if I can pull it. Okay. Easy red. Okay, look like that's working. Took some Okay. Okay, okay. Finally got it. Okay. How much time we got left? Okay. Okay, put that in there. Okay, it took a while. Let's get in there. Okay, so they got him. Okay. Take it off the show here. They finally got him. Okay. Mission accomplished. Okay. I'm gonna stop it here. Okay, I finally got the transmission mount bolts lined up. Sometimes you just got to walk away from stuff and come back to it. And I did reposition. I got the jack right here. Let me show. I got them lined up. Put this here. On a previous clip, I used this socket extender and ratchet just to turn it by hand and have more control. Let's see if the impact driver can pull them in. Okay. Okay. Where's the other one at? Put that one there. That one there. Let's move this out of the way. Okay. Okay. Take that off. Put this back on. Okay. Okay, wow, we did that. Okay, I'm gonna stop it here to go celebrate now. Because a couple of days ago, I was just messing around with that for hours and hours, and I couldn't get it. So sometimes it's good to just walk away and come back. And I did it. Came outside, set it up, and did it. So we got the brand new transmission mount in there. Let me show you the old one. This was the old one here. So, go celebrate. I just came outside and knocked it on out. Might come out. Let me see. Let me take this out. Put it directly in there. Get a little bit more power. Okay, it's been conquered. You can see the transmission mount is completely in. You know, I had a hard time getting these set of bolts here and these set of bolts here lined up with the hose and stuff. So that day I was doing a lot of struggling. It just seemed like it wouldn't work. But I came back a couple of days later, set my fluid jack under in a different spot on the transmission, jacked it up. You know, things went into place. So sometimes you just gotta walk away and come back fresh, strong, and focused the next time. So I'm not going to show me putting the battery tray and stuff back in, but these here, I figured them out because a customer, when he got this paper from the Volkswagen dealers, so it's looking like, where is it at? right here is those right there. So it look like those are up under. So I guess in the next day or so, I ain't gonna do it today. I'm gonna jack the car up and install these here. Now, a lot of footage. I made some shorts and dropped them on my channels, but as far as in this video, I just wanted it to be a streamlined video. But it was quite a few videos of me struggling to try to get them bolts and stuff lined up and get everything lined up and put in. So it's not gonna be, you ain't gonna see it in this video. But if you go on my channel, you will see those videos where I was struggling to try to get all this put together. So okay.